What was that?
Hello.
What could it be?
Oh, gee, it's a Fuzzy Buddy.
Fuzzy Buddy is your new best friend who can really speak. He just loves to have a chat.
Fuzzy Buddy can really eat. You can give him a treat and he can eat it like a real doggy would.
Up for some dancing? No biggie! Fuzzy Buddy just loves to dance. Any music you play, he'll get right to grooving.
Bedtime can be scary, but with Fuzzy Buddy's puppy eyes, he'll be on the lookout all night long.
Hey kid, are you alright? It's alright. It's alright. My name is Mr. Stewart, okay? I'm gonna take you someplace safe.
Fuzzy Buddy's great for the whole family. And remember, kids, when you take a Fuzzy Buddy home with you, you're really opening your heart to a whole new best friend. Fuzzy Buddy just can't wait to meet you. Fuzzy Buddy's available at all Harmony toy stores. Remember, kids, when you buy one, you get one free! And the first 10 to leave the shelves get an exclusive Harmony sing-along tape playing all your favorite hits. Don't be late.